Always think you know the better thing to do, but in this case you could be wrong. So you chuck off your shoes with an empty smile on your face. What is the problem with you? You're constantly in a mood and you gotta shake it off. It's getting on top of you again. Everything that I'm saying, the icing on the cake, and you gotta laugh it in and put it behind you. Put it behind you. I'm not your number one enemy. I'm not your number one enemy. If you wanna be a part of me, I'm not your number one enemy. So now you've got this far, do you really wanna start again on your own? You say you're internally scarred, but it's nothing we can't fix while you're at home. I'm not your number one enemy. All of it seems to be getting me a little confused with the way that you're treating me again. We get along every now and then. We need to tie up the loose ends. I know that it will be alright to stay in and talk tonight. Stop! I'm not your number one enemy. I'm not your number one enemy. If you wanna be a part of me, I'm not your number one enemy. Stop! I'm not your number one enemy. I'm not your number one enemy. If you wanna be a part of me, I'm not your number one enemy. I may be the one to pay sometimes, but I want it like it was before, like it was once before. And you're stuck in between what you want and what's the right thing to do. I want it like it was before, like it was once before.
Daisy, it's smart. I like this. Take off, Daisy's about to take off. The ones you love the most in life see you without your makeup. So put the past behind ya. She don't wanna fight ya. Clock ain't hit the ceiling yet, but chill before your time's up. Oh, look, you must be crazy. For 1.6 she ain't your average lady, so you didn't really wanna go there in Daisy. Now she's belling me. Best thing is just let it be, cause all she keeps on telling me is that she ain't your enemy. She ain't your enemy. Scarlett, she ain't your enemy. So stop.
I'm not your number one enemy. I'm not your number